A limit switch is an electrical component used to detect the position or movement of objects. Widely applied in industrial automation and mechanical control systems. Installed at specific points, it operates through physical contact with an object, triggering the switch and altering the circuit state to control stopping, reversing, or other actions of the equipment. Limit switches come in various types, including rollers, plungers, and micro switches, suited to different applications. Many are equipped with a spring reset function, allowing automatic reset when the object moves away. In automated production lines, limit switches are used for machine tool control, elevator door position detection, and conveyor travel limitations. With simple operation and high reliability, they are essential for ensuring equipment safety and precise positioning.